I grew up in this industry, the American craftsman was very much alive.
As an owner, seeing different artists come into my shop and seeing how they do a letter different or an art piece different is just pretty cool, because you can get to know a lot about a person on how they actually bend glass.
Yeah, I mean, I grew up in a neon art gallery for the most part. My dad blew glass there every day. It was a place called Mr. Neon's New Jersey Neon Art Gallery, and that's all we did for a long time. That was the way that I got praise in my life, and I wound up, I mean, by the time I was 10 or 11, I was probably almost as good as I am now. I had really mastered it. I mean, I spent hours and hours and hours every day, sometimes till midnight, in that glass shop playing in the fires. Through that, I found such a passion. You can do anything with it. Like, I've seen people build working engines out of glass. They don't run for long, but they'll work. And now that LEDs have taken such a market share, it's a third of what it was 15 years ago. Everybody just went off into other fields because they couldn't make a paycheck here. You know, we can't compete with a factory in China. Our whole industry has changed. You see a lot of the craftsmen that were the old school guys like me that had the years and had the ability. We're the only ones that survived, because all those guys weren't making a good quality product, and because people had to pay a premium, they weren't buying it from them.
And I don't think LED will ever take away from neon and what it has done in the past and what it will be doing in the future. I think neon is here to stay.
Instead of making so much signage and what they call channel letters, which is the building letters you see everywhere that light up, they're all filled with LEDs now. They used to be neon. Now what we do more often than not is an art piece or someone's logo that they want just so, or window signs that they want the look of neon.
We're bringing it into homes, and they're actually seeing the art form.
And to me, that's paradise, because the only people in the industry are going to do the best they can because they want to. Everybody else is going to go by the wayside.
It brings a happiness and a warmth to you. It's not just something bought, it's something actually made with two hands.